Hi, this is Attorney Mike. I'm coming to you from Chicago as usual, and we have another live one. We got a woman on a landlord-tenant dispute, just making bad decisions. Let's do it.
Court calls case of Old Town Realty recall. Old Town Realty versus Sanderfield. Ms. Sanderfield?
Hello.
All right.
Hello.
Miss Engine last?
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Hello?
Oh, no. Miss Engine's still here. Yes, I can hear
Hello,
you.
can you hear me?
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Thank you.
All right. There's $763 owing.
Your Honor, my balance was $525.
Then there would be court costs involved. So you're at, I permitted a judgment. What's owing on the account right now is $763.
Okay.
So how would
and that's
that
from
be paid?
The difference is the court cost. Well, when she submitted the order of dismissal to me, Your Honor, Miss Jillian or whatever her name is, it had said that I would be in default if I didn't pay it in 60 days and would receive an eviction. That's why I didn't sign it. Then she sent me another one, and the third one that she sent me said, point number 7 said that the terms and the conditions of the lease agreement would remain in full effect until terminated. It's not that I was evading signing the order of dismissal. It's the language that she was using, and it basically was violating my rights. She said I had to waive my 14-day objection period, and I had to, if I didn't pay it all, the entire $525 within 56 days, I would get an eviction. That's why I didn't sign.
I hear your reasons. I understand what rights you think you may have or are being violated. Here is the reality of the circumstance. The reality of the circumstance is you can sign that giving you potentially additional time to do it, or I'm going to let them have their judgment for the $763 and you got to get it paid in 10 days.
If I would have signed it, Your Honor, it said I waived my rights for additional time. That was in it, that I was waiving my rights.
When is the $763 going to be paid?
Well, I was going to pay it based on the initial payment arrangement, which was $300 on the 15th and then $300 on the 15th of the next month. It wasn't initially $763. It was $525. So it would have been $300 and $225.
Miss Engine.
Your Honor, I believe my client would be okay with still entering the conditional order of dismissal, which provides for payment of $300 on the 15th, and then subsequent payments on or before the 15th of each month thereafter until the balance is paid. And the balance under the conditional order of dismissal, the conditional order of dismissal did not include court costs, and so that can still say that, you know, that balance under the conditional order of dismissal would be $525.
All right. So, ma'am, here's what I'm going to order. She can either sign the conditional order of dismissal. She needs to do that by the end of by the 16th. If she doesn't do that by the 16th, plaintiff can submit a judgment.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You understand that, ma'am? Miss Sanderfield, do you understand that? Seriously? Well, Miss Sanderfield.
Hello, can you hear me?
I can hear you now. Did you hear what I said?
Yeah, I wanted to know which one did you want me to sign, because Jillian sent me 3 of them.
Okay, this is so frustrating, and it gets worse. But yeah, those are options. They either have a deal worked out where they say if you don't comply with the deal, then we're going to proceed with an eviction, and you waive certain rights, and that you can accept those terms or not. Or in the alternative, a judgment's going to enter on the 16th, which is, I guess, a week from now. So she's got a week to either take the deal or have a judgment enter. It's very, very simple. But she persists on basically trying to get the judge to represent her and tell her what to do. Number one, and since that didn't work and it shouldn't, then she starts yelling at him.
The terms that were laid out by Ms. Engine indicating that you're to pay the $300 and then you got to pay on the 15th of each month till the balance is paid.
Yes, I will sign that one because that's the one I was agreeing to. But it's like I said, it stipulated eviction if it wasn't paid in 56 days.
Get it signed or a judgment will enter by the 16th. Thank you.
I'm not signing nothing that's going to make me evicted because how is that fair?
Ma'am, you said
I received 3 of them, Your Honor.
Miss Sanderfield.
Miss Sanderfield. Yes, it's Dr. Sanderfield. Don't you want to be addressed as Your Honor? I'm sick of the state of Michigan violating my rights and abusing me.
I'm done. I've given my order. That's it.
You haven't even stipulated which
choices. Kick her out. Kick her out. I've given my order. I will start the next block momentarily. Folks, give me about 5 minutes, please. Miss Engine, have a great day.
Not quite done.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'll see you at 2 p.m.
Your Honor, I don't mean to cut you off or be rude. I know you're having a crazy day right now. I just know that...
but now you're going to interrupt it and add to it, aren't you?
No, I'm sorry. I'm going to let you do you.
Good. I'm going to take my 5-minute break. You really want me to because you don't want to talk to me right now.
No, take your break. I'm sorry. Take your break.
Well, there you have it. Another horrible court appearance. A woman decides that she's going to yell at Judge Simpson. Judge Simpson had already given his ruling multiple times during this hearing. A judgment will enter, and you'll have 10 days to pay it, or you can accept the terms of their deal. And either one is fine, but the choice is yours. She just didn't understand and wanted him to. What she really wanted to do is argue about the terms of the deal because she didn't like it. Well, we're at a place now where you can take the deal or you have a judgment entered against you. That's it. That's all there is to it. And then I just really like at the end, the judge is obviously frazzled that someone just can't read the room and thinks, hey, now would be a good time to try to get to talk to the judge about something. He handled it well. That woman is very lucky she isn't held in contempt. She certainly qualified for it. The judge didn't feel like it and just had her taken off, which was honestly nice for her. Here at Law Talk, we like to have fun with silly stuff that happens in court, and every once in a while, and completely by accident, I assure you, you might learn something. Thanks for watching.